Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of AI training, doing your business with AI with ProveHub. I'm Francis Jayola. I'm the founder of ProveHub. I've spent over nearly a decade building technology for businesses across Nigeria and the UK. Websites, apps, AI system. I work at ProveHub because I live the problem these tools solve. No jargons today, real workflow you can picture in your own business. And one thing to try before Saturday, for the next Saturday rather. So how to use this hour, keep your repetitive tasks from, okay, having an issue with my control here. Okay, so keep one repetitive task from your week in mind. We will use it. That's for next Saturday. Every workflow ends on a real task board. Watch for that. Each demo comes with a try it today you can do tonight. Questions in chat. I stop for them between parts. Next slide. Today in 3 parts, we are going to understand what's changed in AI and the pattern behind every automation, plus the workspace where it all lives. We are going to see it work, 3 live workflows, email, social media, customer chat. Each one ends with where real work ends on the task board. Now we are going to try to see how we can make it yours. The tools to explore, the golden rule that keeps you safe, and 2 parts to start this week. One promise, by the end of this, an AI employee won't be a metaphor. You have seen it take a task and finish it for you. Now, the shift from answering questions to doing the work. Before, AI answers your questions. How do I write this payment reminder? You still do the sending, the chasing, and the follow-up. Now, AI does the work. Chase all my unpaid invoices, and agent reasons, uses tools, take action, then checks in with you. When it takes tasks and reports back like a teammate, that's not a software anymore. That's a hire. Every workflow has the same shape. There's a trigger, there's a reason, there's a act with tools, and check in with woman. On the workspace board you just met, this shape has a simpler name, a task. Every workflow in part 2 will end the same way as a task card on the board waiting for you. Now, another example of AI workflow is email that reads and routes itself. When the email arrives, the AI reads it, summarizes it, brief the right person, you approve it. Now, it's going to land on the task board, just like a staff trying to contact the CEO or the team lead or the manager. So, like this example here, you can see a brief, supplier complaint, Bello and Sons, 3-line summary attached, suggested reply, routed to operation. So you see, assigned to Tunde, awaiting approval. So you can click approve or you can leave it. So you can see the email doesn't just get sorted. It became a task. Assign it to the right teammate. You can try it today. You can do this with any platform. So I'm going to show you how to do them normally. So you can do, so yeah, I'm going to show you when the time comes. So let me just keep going. Now, another example, social media on autopilot. So you can see again, one idea, e.g., this month we push the new delivery service and the AI, we create posts for that new week of posts, schedules it everywhere, Instagram, Facebook, X, and co. Now, there's still going to be a quick review for you as a human to check before you hands off. So similar thing, it created the tax again on the tax board, showing what it has done already. Now, next workflow, a customer bot that knows when to hand over. Yeah, so you have a chat bot on your website or on WhatsApp, anywhere, and then a customer writing, the AI answers instantly. Let's say it's asking for price, availability, bookings. It senses its limits. If it's a complaint or somebody's fighting you or a refund, it it shows you that on your own, by getting to you. That's where you say human takes over. So it also creates it again as a tax again for you. Just the way you see your normal employee coming to meet you, that this what happened, this somebody called me and said they want to refund. The AI is going to do the same thing for you to talk to you like that too. Now, it's your own turn to spot the tax in your business. So we like to do things manually. So that is why I'm taking my time to always appear every Saturday to tell you that you can do this the simpler way. You don't have to always do everything manually. So you have to spot the tax in your business. All the workflow I just showed you ended the same way, as a tax on the board waiting for a human. So now you have to find yours, take the repetitive tax you brought in and run it through this shape. Number one, what happened twice this week? So anything that has to do with automation has to be do with something that has happened more than once. So if it's the same time, the same email always coming in, same type of question always coming in, the same way you used to go and press to reply. Could clear rules decide it? That's number two. You can explain it to a new hire in 5 minutes. An agent can reason through it. The same thing. So if you hire somebody for that and you are trying to explain to the person and the person can get it, why not? The AI too can also get it. So what must a human still approve? Anything that has to do with money, promises, obsessing the customer, that's your checkpoint. It stays with you. Now, meet your workspace. There has to be a workspace for everything to become an employee because he has to do something, show you to review. Now, Slack, Asana, all those tax board for your system. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Something like that. But there's an AI in that particular group with you, just like you have WhatsApp group now currently, where there's AI in that WhatsApp group. So instead of that, that AI in that WhatsApp group now works for Facebook. So now, what if an AI in your own WhatsApp group now works for you now this time around? So you tell it to do something, do it. So, for example, see, restore picnic. If you have a store, build the new website, invoice reminder, update the price list, deliver order, August campaign. So yeah, this is what we're talking about when we say AI employee. It does all these things for you on your behalf. Now, there are three kind of tools we use mainly for AI. No, not like say mainly for AI. A lot can happen. So there's this ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Gemini, there's Perplexity, there's Microsoft Copilot. There's the connectors, which are Zapier, N8, Make, Boomloop, Nindin. And there are tools that have all in one, which is ProveHub, Airtable, Relevance AI, and Notion AI. Now I'm going to end this slideshow to just show you the tools that we're talking about. So there's ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Gemini, there's Perplexity, there's Microsoft Copilot. I don't know why is this one opening like this. Okay, there's Zapier, there's N8, there's Make.com, there's Boomloop.com, there's Lindy.ai, there's Airtable, there's Relevance AI, there's Notion AI, then there's ProveHub. ProveHub is what is the case study we're going to be using for this training when we say hire your first AI employee. I'm going to still go into ProveHub a while to just show you what is happening inside. So you can see, so hire your first AI employee, one AI employee for your whole business is answer your customers 247 on WhatsApp, this is your invoice, and work stacks along your teammates, among your team. And when something needs a human, it hands off to your staff, nothing fall through. So I already have an account before. You just click get started if you don't have an account and log in with whatever method. Me, I'm using login with Google, so it's very simple. So I already have an account before. I'm just going to click on login. Now, when I click on login, if you're creating an account for the first time, they're going to see guided steps. Me, I've already passed those steps already. So I'm just going to dive straight inside a project I've created before. So I created fancy shoe in a project. Now, when you are on ProveHub site itself, you see a kind of interface that you are being used to already. You are used to chatting with ChatGPT, chatting with Claude and co. You can do the same thing here. E.g., for example, now you see, how do I create a chatbot for my project? It says, what is my current balance? And he says, this is just an example. So you can do the same thing. So let me just say how to hire. Let me click this one and then see how to hire an AI employee. So it says, you already have an AI employee on ProveHub. To put them to work, you can assign any task to the teammates on the task page. The AI, so if I click on this, it goes to the task page. Say the AI can handle various tasks such as reasoning, preparing drafts for your approval, assigning with customers interaction, assisting with customer interaction. If you like to create a task and assign it the AI teammate now, just let me know. So yeah, like I said, you can be doing things here. So I can say, yes, I did yes. So it's going to say, what task would you like to create? Let me make this bigger so you can see. Okay, it's big enough. Let me increase it like this here so you can see the full screen. So you say, what task would you like me to create and assign to the AI teammate? Please provide the title, description, and due date. So now, task. So if I'm going to say the task I want you to do is like I want to even say follow up with me. I want to use it like a personal assistant. Like so, because other tasks are there, but I'll show you how to do other tasks, for example. So I just say follow up with me to deliver shoe to Mr. Mr. Tunde, Mr. Or let me just say Mr. Francis. Let me use my name. No, I'm the one that so yeah, I'm delivered to Mr. Tunde, or I can say Mrs. Dayola or something. I can say Mrs. Dayola. So it doesn't have to only be male. So follow up with me to deliver. So he says ahead. So provide the title. So that's the title. So I don't have a description. So I can type something in description. I can say it's a shoe is custom made. It's custom made and maybe quality or something like that. I put a comma just the way you don't have to put comma, but you can pick it from there when you stop a particular sentence. So say provide title, description, okay, and a due date if you have one in mind. Now, I don't have to go to my calendar and be checking what is 27 of something. So I can just say next week, remind me next week, Wednesday. Let me just say Wednesday, next week, Wednesday. Just say next week, Wednesday. Okay, I have to put only one S there. Next week, Wednesday. No, it's because it's capital letter, small letter. Next week, Wednesday. Let me just say Friday. That should be capital letter. No, it don't have to be capital letter per se, but I don't know why my own is so next week, Wednesday at 12 p.m. That's if I want to put that, if I want to put time as well. So I'm going to press enter. So you can see now it says it says I've created tax follow up to deliver shoe to Mrs. Jayola and assign it to AI teammates. The tax is due next week, Friday. So next week, Friday is October 13th. It's next week, Friday, October 13th. I don't think it has to be October 13th, but next week, Friday, October 13th, so you can view it on tax page. So if I click on this tax page, let me zoom this page downwards. So if I click on the tax page, so if I go there, I will see the tax it just already created now for me. And then on this place there, you can see, so you will get notification. So here it says, so you see the way the screen just changed on its own. Something jumped from here to this place. It means and you see notification up here. So it means the AI has already started doing something. So you see, it's already doing something. It's already doing something already. So it's just moving. It's creating the tax. And as it's doing it, it's also doing showing you, like for example now, say there's a comment in that place where the AI has done something now. So you see, you say I found Mrs. Jayola's record as Adekunle Jayola with the phone number. Yes, what I have accomplished. After the WhatsApp message for her, hello, Mrs. Jayola, we are pleased to inform you that your custom made shoes are ready for delivery. Please let us know a convenient time for you to receive them. Best regard, Francis Shoe. So you can approve this message on the customer's page when ready. So you see number 2, created a draft invoice. But you see, I didn't even say. So now I'll show you where this one come from. This invoice, where it come from. So I just created an account. I'm just showing you what it means to have AI employee doing tasks on your behalf. Now, but you have to feed it you have to train it to understand your business. So, but if you follow the guided step when you created an account, the guided step when you created an account, it will take you to somewhere called Train Your AI. So in this place, you can put your details. Me, I already have something there already. It will, you put your details, like, so you can chat with it via a chat. So you can say, welcome back. Your business profile is already saved, but what do you like to have? So you can be telling it your business. You can also put your voice. You can chat with it and tell it that this is what I do. It will just be saving it for you. Then you can rebuild from a website. If you have a website, you can put your website link. It will read all your website and put the information there for you. Or you can write yourself, or you can record, like I said, or you can still go back to that same 3-step guide, chat, and continue. Yeah, you can also do manually if you want, but people don't not do manually again these days. So everything's automatic. You can upload your logo for it. So you drop. So if you have now, some of you are already used to ChatGPT already. You use other different chats. So you can just go to it and be like, from what you know about me, generate a full summary about my business in PDF or in Excel, in Word for me. So if it gives you that, you just come here, upload it to this place. It will know your business from here automatically. Now, another thing again to check if you are into business, if you're into service business. So in your customer chat bot, you can come and so this is your chat bot. You can put in your website. You can add to WordPress sites, copy and paste in normal sites. And then you can go to branding. You can change the design of it with your brand kit. If you don't have one, you can upload, you can do custom, upload your logo, put your color yourself, choose if it's light or dark you want it to be, the position left or right. So I think there's more, yeah, engagement, auto open chats. If you want to put message sound, then there's capability. You can also change the name of this AI, maybe to be Sora or those different big AI items that you want. But it has to be something that your customer will know that this is you. So you can do a greeting that greets the person. Then you can do capabilities. You can say, I want to book appointment. So you should be able to book appointment for you. So to do appointment, so I think you go to this tab for your booking. So you choose your time zone. You choose, just follow the on screen. So you can put the service. If you do services too, you can add your services. What do you do here? You can put it. Then you can put weekly availability. And then you can see your upcoming bookings down here. So because that's the point of an AI, to able to, like, this same thing you keep repeating. Somebody wants to book, like maybe you're an hairdresser, you do nail tech, you do lashes. So instead of you always trying to uh reply your customer this and that, come okay today, tomorrow, the customer can feel everything from your chatbot and via your WhatsApp too, not only your chatbot. This one can be your website, your Instagram, anywhere you are, it will reply them based on your this. So you can choose that I want bookings, I want to sell my product. Now, to sell your product, you have to come to inventory here, down here. Go to inventory here and add your products. So you can add product, click on add products. You can add all your products that you have. And if you have them already in your Excel, or you have them in another uh, accounting software, or you have it in WooCommerce, you can just click on import here. So it's going to show you a template that you can import it with. You click on that template. Then when you import, you edit it to that template. Then you come back and upload it. Then everything will be here. You also have a storefront where you can sell there. So you can also put your what's the name? Put your payment and invoicing. If you go to payment and invoicing here, you can go here and go to settings here. In this setting here, you can put your bank details here, bank account details, so that as you are sleeping, the AI can help you to sell by yourself, can help you to book appointments, can help you to do so much. So that's the point of that payment and invoicing. Now, if you go to inventory again, back, so we're going back to that customer chat bot where we can see that in this capability here, it can help you to sell your products. It can help you to take custom requests. So, and then when something is wrong, it will hand it over to you, and it can also create that workspace I just showed you just now. Like, it can create it for you so that it can also remind you. So yeah, so we've seen so much already from using AI with your business. Now, some of you might be here now on this call and might not be interested in any of this. but you want to like show your friends to use it that have businesses, we have what they call referrals. You click on referrals under here, you can refer your friend to use it. As your friend are paying for these services every time, although most of the services here are free for now. So, but even if you want to still charge money, it's as little as 10 naira. So it replies it replies customer with 10 naira. So it doesn't have to be big money all the time. So you only pay for what you use. So, but they have to deposit in their balance. So you can copy your referral code, you share with them as they are creating stuff on the platform, as they are uh, as they are depositing, as they are doing things, whatever they are doing, you'll be getting 5% on every of their recurring usage. So there's still many more things to check on the homepage. Let's say, for example, you are here, you still are not interested in using the platform for yourself. You still don't want to refer your friend because it will be showing our own name, our own branding. You want to have something that is yours, like you want to start what we are doing too, the same thing. So we have something called ProveHub White Label. So if you go to ProveHub White Label, so it's exactly what you are seeing here on ProveHub, but you can change the branding to your own branding. You can sell domain to your users. You can create websites the same way you can create a website too on ProveHub. So you can do all those things too. So you're under your own branding. Then you just have to contact us here and show. We'll now connect with you with our sales team and see how to get you on board. Now, so I forgot to show you that you can create websites. So my bad. So you click on domain name search. Although there are plenty menu there, so you can buy domain for your business. It's already there to know who you are already and suggest domain for you. You buy. Then there's something called business email. So on the business email, you can go there, you search for your business email. Okay, you don't have a domain. So email is info@yourbusiness.com or .ng. That's how your email will be. So there's something called brand identity kits as well. Yeah, this one is the one that works with your website. So if you want to build a website, it help you to know your color, everything about you. Now there's something called website. So you can build a website just from chats, and then it will help you to host it automatically. There's content studio where you can create graphics for your business, videos for your business, the social media posts where you can post your social media for you. So a lot is there, and you don't have to learn everything. Like I always told you, you just come to your chat. There's a guided chat there. I can do everything for you. The AI does everything for you. So yeah, so from this point, I'll go back to our slides so that we can just close from there and finish up with the training. Now, we've seen those tools already. So you have to keep a human eye on anything that matters. You saw it in every workflow I just showed you now. So it's not every time you use AI. Let's say you can connect it to your account, connect it to anything, but anything that has to do with customer relationship, tarnishing, you check it when the AI tells you, because the AI already understands some things already. So he knows when to not reply on his own. So he knows when to tell you things to do. So, like I've said already, you've seen all the tasks you do, make them repetitive and keep a checkpoint where you check everything. The tools are powerful. Wiring them together is real work. Many logins, many bills, things break, no single board. You can now actually wire it yourself from ProveHub, like I've showed you just now. You can also do it from all the other ones I've showed you. It doesn't have to be ProveHub. So everything you just saw is one board away. ProveHub ship all three workflows in one account, sharing your business data on the workspace from part one that you've seen, with the AI on the roster. Any tasks can be assigned to a human to do. Customer bots and WhatsApp agents, you've seen that already. Content and social publishing, you've seen that. Invoicing that chase itself, you've seen that. You approve everything. You've also seen that. Now, if everything again I've been talking to this point, you don't like it, it's not for you. Maybe you have a custom business that you don't have to put your data online. We can build a custom agentic system for you. We do that for companies as of now. So you can get your own. So we come to your office, we come to your business, we see what you do, your real workflows, we build it for you, and then you run it with human in control. Now, today you've working curious, I'm sure you've worked out capable already. So just to recap, see the pattern, see something like something trigger, there have to be a reason, there have to be an act, there have to be a check. You can now spot an automatable task anywhere. You found one today. Think in tasks. Workflows aren't magic. there are attacks on the board. The AI works them. Your approver closes them. Now you stay safe, like I've been saying since. Automate repetitive tasks freely. Keep a checkpoint on money, contracts, and relationship and customer relationship. A faster part, use ProveHub ready-made board or have us build a custom system around your workflow. One sentence for you to take home. You are not buying software anymore. You are hiring a teammate. Now, as we've come to the end of this training, like I've always said, we teach for free. It's free to learn. Ready when you are. Bring the tax you found today. Put it on proof of tax board, like you have seen. Assign it to your first AI employee, or talk to us to have us build custom agentic system for you, for your organization. So I'm Francis Jayola. I'm going to wait, but most times I actually wait till the end of the training. Nobody asks questions. So let me just still follow the same process and ask. If you have a question, you can ask me. I will wait. Don't forget, you can also ask the AI assistant that you have on ProveHub to answer your questions for you. And it can also do things for you. So anything that's in your head, just ask it to do it for you. So you don't have to watch videos for 1 hour, 20 hours to learn how a platform works. Those are the old days. The olden days, you learn where a button is presented. You learn where to click, where to go. No, this time around, you just say it and it does it for you. So yeah, but I'm still here to answer your question. If you have any question, you can unmute yourself and ask question. I always used to wait and nobody end up asking question. But so just to save the rest of your time, I'm going to end this training for today. See you same time next week. Have a nice weekend.